The sun just vanished. Not a slow fade, not a gentle sunset. One moment it is shining, the next moment it is gone. 8 minutes of cosmic blackout in the middle of the day. That sounds like the end of the world. It also sounds like the worst magic trick the universe could pull on us. So what if the sun blinked out for 8 minutes? To make sense of this, you need to know one simple fact. Light from the sun takes about 8 minutes to reach Earth. That means when you look up at the sun, you are always seeing it as it was 8 minutes ago. If the sun shut off right now, we would not know instantly. For 8 entire minutes, we would keep going about our day as if nothing had changed. Then suddenly everything would collapse into night. Picture yourself driving down the highway. Bright sunny afternoon. You are sipping your coffee and singing along to the radio. Then bang, the sky turns black like someone flipped a cosmic light switch. Every car around you hits the brakes. Headlights flash on. Birds freak out and scatter. Dogs howl. People pour out of houses to stare upward, because who can resist watching the sky misbehave? The first 60 seconds would be pure confusion. The blue sky would vanish. Stars would burst into view as if someone had pulled back a curtain. You would even see planets glowing faintly. Street lights that turn on at dusk would suddenly snap awake. The whole world would look like it was plunged into an instant blackout drill. After 2 minutes, the chill would begin. The sun is the heater that keeps Earth comfortable. Without its constant energy, the air cools quickly. It would not freeze instantly, but you would feel a sudden nip like stepping from a warm room into a cold hallway. By the 3rd and 4th minute, the land would be losing heat fast. The oceans would hold on to warmth longer, releasing steam like giant kettles. You might see strange fog forming over lakes and fields. Pilots in airplanes would hit turbulence as air pressures shifted without warning. Farmers out in the fields would stand frozen, shovels in hand, staring up at the black sky and wondering if this is how civilization ends. Solar power would collapse immediately. Every panel would go dead. Cities that rely on it would feel the loss within minutes. Communication systems tied to satellites powered by sunlight would start wobbling. The global economy would take an instant hit as energy systems hiccuped and emergency generators kicked in. Now comes the twist most people do not expect. The sun does not just give us light. It holds the entire solar system together with its gravity. If the sun blinked out completely, its gravity would vanish with it. Earth and all the other planets would fly away in straight lines into deep space. But here is the eerie part. We would not notice right away. Just like light, the pull of gravity also takes 8 minutes to cross space. For those 8 strange minutes, Earth would still orbit around nothing. Then the moment that invisible thread snapped, our planet would launch into the black void like a car sliding off a racetrack. Think about that for a second. You look up, the sun is gone. The world is cooling, the sky is full of stars. And then silently, without anyone feeling a bump, Earth stops orbiting and just drifts. Every map, every calendar, every season gone in an instant. Humanity would be aboard a ghost ship sailing into interstellar night. In the hours that followed, life would not die instantly. Fires still burn. Engines still run. Power plants would keep humming. You could still cook dinner. But without sunlight, Earth would begin to freeze over days and weeks. Within a year, the oceans would solidify into ice blocks. The atmosphere would collapse into a frozen shell. Only deep underground or near volcanic vents would any form of life cling to existence. The most shocking part is not even the cold or the dark. It is the loneliness. Earth would no longer belong to a solar system. We would wander endlessly through the galaxy as a lost marble in an infinite playground. Every star in the night sky would be a reminder of the one we lost. The good news is, this nightmare is impossible. The sun is not a light bulb with a switch. Stars take millions or even billions of years to change. They swell, they fade, they collapse. But they never just wink out for fun, so you can relax. Tomorrow morning, the sun will rise like always. The only blackout you need to worry about is when you forget to pay the electricity bill. Still, imagining this is a reminder of how fragile we are. All of human history, every laugh, every fight, every invention has happened under the steady glow of a star 93 million miles away. If that glow vanished, so would we. If you enjoy exploring these weird cosmic curves, hit like and subscribe so you can keep traveling through these what ifs with me. What if the moon suddenly split into two equal halves?